Everyone says their AI is the best. But here's the truth, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity are all incredible. They're just incredible at different things. Choosing the wrong one could waste hours every week. So in the next few minutes, you'll discover exactly which AI you should use, when to use it, and why millions of people now rely on more than one AI assistant. Let's start with ChatGPT. It's still the most used AI tool in the world, with hundreds of millions of people using it every week. Its biggest strength is that it can do a little bit of everything: writing, coding, making pictures, and even talking to you with voice. If you want one simple tool that does many things well, ChatGPT is a great place to start. To use it, go to chat.openai.com, type your question in normal words, and don't stop at the first answer, ask more questions to make it better. Next is Claude, made by a company called Anthropic. In tests, people usually like Claude's writing the most, and it's also very strong at coding. Many businesses now trust Claude more than other AI tools for serious work. To use it, go to Claude.ai. It works best when you paste in a long piece of writing or a big document and ask it to check it, fix it, or explain it step by step. Then there's Gemini, made by Google. Its biggest strength is that it can read very long documents at once, and it works smoothly inside Google tools like Docs, Gmail, and Sheets. If you already use Google for work, Gemini fits right in. You can use it at gemini.google.com, or right inside Gmail and Docs. It works best when you give it a whole document instead of just a small piece of text. Last is Perplexity. This one is a little different. It's not really a chatbot, it's more like a smart search engine. Every answer it gives you comes with real website links, so you can check where the information came from. It also makes fewer mistakes with sources compared to other AI search tools. If you need to check facts or do real research, this is the best one for that. Go to perplexity.ai, type your question like you would in a search engine, and always check the source links before you trust the answer. These four are not the only AI tools out there. Grok is built into the X app and is good for real-time news and trending topics. Microsoft Copilot is a free option if you already use Word, Excel, and Outlook. DeepSeek and Mistral are both free and surprisingly good, especially for coding. And Meta AI is built right into WhatsApp and Instagram for quick, simple use. So which one should you use? Honestly, most people don't use just one anymore. A simple way to start: use Claude or ChatGPT for everyday writing and thinking, use Perplexity when you need real facts and sources, and use Gemini if you already work inside Google's apps. Try 2 of these tools this week on the same task, and see which one saves you more time. That test will teach you more than any video, including this one.